showed more appreciation for what they have in their lives? The Thank You Dish by Trace Balla is a heartwarming book filled with the joys of being part of a community that values growing food and sharing meals with loved ones. What you'll notice is it starts off with beautiful illustrations, very simplistic but also very colorful. It was dinner time at Grace's place. Thanks to the rain, the soil, and the sunshine, said Mama. And thank you, kangaroos, said Grace. And her mother gets confused about why she wants to thank the kangaroos. But she goes on and thanks all the different people that helped get the food on her table. Even thanking the alpaca because he provided the wool that gave her a scarf. And then the workers who provided the roads to be built to fix the path that they could go riding on. And she just goes through and thinks of all those things about why you should be thankful for the little things that in your life that make life better. Giving friends homemade sauce. I never knew there were so many thanks to give for just one dinner, said Mama. Well, I've got one more. Thank you, Mama. Why would you thank me? I'm thanking you for cooking such a yummy dinner, of course, said Grace. My pleasure, said Mama. Thanks for saying thanks. So it's just a beautiful book that shows you the importance of being thankful for what you have and grateful for all of the abundance you have in your life.